Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel tips.Which. Today I will show you how to see your Play Store app size. We always download the Play Store app, but we cannot know which app size and where we find the app size details. So today I will show you how you check the app size. So click on this any app, then now I click on Subway server. After click on this, you scroll down, click on the read more option. When you click on read mode option, you can see this option, then scroll down. After you scroll down, you can see download size. It was very easy and very small trick. So now you can find any app size by this system. So if you like this video, please like this video, share my video, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.